How to change your email password in DreamMail. This demo assumes you've already opened DreamMail. Now click on the Tools menu. Click on Account Management. Select the account you want to edit and click Properties. Click in this field to change the password. Click on OK to continue. That's it! You have successfully changed the email password. Please note that we have changed only the email password in DreamMail. To change the actual email password, you need to go to your cPanel account. This is the end of the tutorial. Now you know how to change your email password in DreamMail.